Today we're making an entrance reducer out of hardware cloth. These are great to use in the summertime when it's really hot outside and the bees are bearding a lot. It gives you a lot of flexibility with ventilation, but it also gives you flexibility in just how open that the entrance is, and it's very easy to modify. What we're doing is we're taking a spool of hardware cloth and we're going to cut a strip about 2.5 or 3 inches wide. I didn't measure it, it's just a ballpark. From here, get a hive that you don't actively have bees in at the time. It's going to be a lot easier to do this if the bees aren't right there in front of you. If you do have an active hive and that's all you have, measure off of the back of the hive. Once you get your measurements done, go ahead and get everything fit up. You can see here that it takes me 2 times to get this right. No problem, just trim a little bit of extra off and then try to get everything fit back in. Now, once you have it where you want it, you can staple it in place if you like. I don't usually do that because the bees are not able to physically move it around, and the whole idea behind this is to keep robbing bees away. Now here you can see I'm making a notch. This is on the top, but it ends up getting reversed. That notch allows me to pick roughly what is the center. You can place your entrance anywhere you want, left, right, middle. I like to do it in the middle. So you go ahead and cut that notch about 3/4 of the way up onto the hardware cloth, and you can see now I just peel it right up here to the top, and I've got a nice little entrance there. Everything is good to go. Now you can do 2 of these entrances like that on the right side, like I've done right here, a second one. You can do 3, 4, whatever you want to do. And if you get into a robbing situation, all you got to do is just close them down like this, and then you can leave it blocked for a little while until things settle down, and then open them back up again. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Outside of that, take care and happy beekeeping.